Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be checking about sorting contents inside an Excel cell. So here we have three fruits which are separated by commas, which are inside an Excel cell. So which needs to be sorted. So currently it's banana, apple, and orange. If we need to sort by ascending order, it will be apple, banana, and then orange. So we'll see how to sort in Excel. So let me explain what we are going to do. So here is the contents of the cell where we have banana, apple, orange. So we'll use TEXTSPLIT function with comma as a delimiter, and it will be in three different cells: banana, apple, and orange. And then optionally we can use this trim function to remove the additional white spaces. If you carefully look, there's after this comma we have this after this comma we have this space, right? So it's recommended to remove the spaces in order to avoid any confusion. So you can see this, there is space over here before O. Once you use trim function, you will not have the space, so it's just only the text will be there without spaces. And then we'll use the sort function, and either we can choose sort by ascending or sort by descending. And next is we can use the TEXTJOIN function using a comma and the space as a join parameter, or just the comma as join parameter, and then you will get all the contents in one cell. So let's see how it works in real time. Okay. So I'll start over here. So first is we have to split this cell into cell by commas, right? So we'll use test split function is equal to text split of this is the text, and then we have to put commas as a delimiter, and then I'll close the parenthesis. So it's split in three different cells, right? And then we can use the trim function to remove the extra spaces. You can see there's a space before A, whereas if you see in banana before B there's no space, whereas in apple and orange before the starting of the characters you can see there's a space. We can remove the spaces by using trim function is equal to trim, and then you can select all these three, sorry, all these three. So it's a hash, you are getting a hash at the end, so that means it's a spill function. So this makes it easy for us because you don't have to select multiple cells. So in case if there is five or six fruits, so you don't have to select five or six cells manually. So you can just put this spill function, and then it will automatically select all the required cells. So you will come to know in the second and third uh, when you're executing the second and third row. Let's see. So I'll just click on this, and then see, you can see the space has been removed, and then we can use the sort function to sort it. We can type as is equal to sort, and we can use the spill function. It selected all the three cells, and sort index, we don't need to worry about that. Sort order is ascending, so we'll type 1, and if we are going to sort by column, so we can select type true, TRUE, and so it's sorted apple, banana, orange. And then finally we'll be joining this text using text join function. It's equal to text join. The delimiter is going to be comma and a space. In case if you don't want space, no need to put the space in. And then the second parameter is you can type as true, empty, ignore empty cells, and we can select the text, which is this one, and we can select put the hash function, hash character, and then we can close it. So the text is joined. So we have put in multiple steps. We can combine everything into one. All right. So text join function is going to be the last. So what we can do is we can copy this contents over here, and okay, we can cut the contents, and we can put it over here, right? Okay. Next is B11. We have to copy the contents in B11 cell. We'll select this, and we'll select the contents. Let me remove this is equal to, and I'll paste it over here, right? And then B10 hashes this one. We'll copy the contents over here. We'll remove the is equal to, and we can paste the contents over here. See, that's it. We got it. So let me copy all this contents, and I can paste it over here. Let me delete this. So we have apple, banana, orange, and if we drag it below, the other contents will also get sorted. You can see avocado, grapes, guava, pineapple, and then we have blueberry, pomegranate, raspberry, watermelon. So that's it. This is how we sort contents inside an Excel cell. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.